We do want to warn you this story does contain the sounds of gunshots.
Well, an Arizona trooper greets a driver he stopped on the 93 outside Kingman.
The reason why we're being stopped today is because, one, you have a headlight that's out, and two, the lights that are supposed to be illuminating your license plate, they are also out.
What this trooper doesn't know is that Michael Coleman would become a suspect in a woman's murder from that same day.
Balance expired 2021.
The trooper runs Coleman's information and lets him go with an order to get the car fixed. But the stop and the video would play a crucial part in police work some 100 miles away. Work that, according to detectives, would later link Coleman to 4 murders in all. Video the 8 News Now investigators obtained from earlier the day of the stop shows a similar red sedan pulling up to this house as a Jeep pulls into a driveway. The driver of the red car then ambushes the other driver, shooting and killing them. Police suspect the murder would be Coleman's last in a series of 4, working as an alleged hitman.
His associates defrauded the government of numerous Paycheck Protection Program loans, better known as PPP loans.
Police believe Coleman would kill his victim when a well-known gang leader didn't get his cut of that stolen money. Money the 8 News Now investigators have learned totals millions of taxpayer dollars.
Is there any firearms in the vehicle, sir? No? Okay.
Video from the stop helped detectives link Coleman to the crime. They say, with the identical car captured in both videos. Days later, officers in Las Vegas would stop the car, though Coleman wasn't driving. A search would find this gun hidden in the engine compartment.
That was David Charnes reporting. Right now, Coleman remaining in custody without bail. A trial scheduled to begin next month in one murder case, but it's unclear if prosecutors will now combine all 4 cases. Coleman has declined to tell us his side of his story from jail.
It's the